Hello TECHDesign followers, I'm Kate, a marketing specialist from Reyax Technology. My main duty is to promote products in different countries. Reyax Technology is an IoT total solution provider and focuses on supply chain services to electronic manufacturers in Taiwan, which including ODM, OEM, and EMS. We are deeply involved in industrial electronics, medical electronics, security monitoring, and the Internet of Things. What does Reyax provide to our clients? First, we research and develop a wide range of high-quality modules, which including Wi-Fi, GPS, LoRa, Bluetooth modules, etc. Second, Reyax provides IoT products, customized services, such as design and development. Third, Reyax is capable of professional technical services and solutions. Under the profound background of electronics technology, we establish a solid foundation of professional technical services from hardware to cloud. Next part, we are going to introduce our latest products, RYC1001. It is the low-cost access to the cloud platform and is also suitable for low data volume and power-saving devices. Reyax RYC1001 is built on a stable AWS service. We can use simple instructions to integrate the IoT cloud platform quickly as well. Besides using the MQTT protocol, you can use simple instructions for your applications, monitor and devices, and establish your IoT connection easily. Any company with wireless technology needs can use RYC1001 to save engineering resources and development time. Besides, roughly estimated that it can save at least $3 million in funds. RYC1001 is your best partner for you to get the data easily. If you want to know more details, please visit Reyax store on techdesign.com. Thank you.